What is the department's vision for empowering young people? Department of E-Government's main mandate is to digitize all government services. What do we mean by that? Digitize all government services. We are doing away with everything that is manual so that everything is digital, is in your gadget, is in your phone.
We need internet to study. Most of us are content creators. Most of us conduct businesses online. What is the department doing to ensure that young people have free Wi-Fi, and not only in schools but also for households?
Tina, when we put a Wi-Fi either in a school or in a library, we put it to a 3-kilometer radius so that the community around that facility benefits. Got a program at GPN where we roll out connectivity so that we are able to connect people. So there is a big problem. One of our biggest spending items in our department is the rollout of making sure that communities have free Wi-Fi. But our free Wi-Fi is only for government services, and other official things.
What other programs do you have in empowering young people in the tech space so that we become innovators of tomorrow?
Maningi ama field in this sector. He has spoken about it lokade esamukela la ukuthi abanye sifuna baba ama engineers, be able to create ama apps. We also train people on cyber security.
What motivates you as an MPC? Thank you.
To make sure that we are making a difference in people's lives. That's what motivates me. So the difference that we make, that's what motivates me.
My question is, with all that the youth is facing, what advice do you have for them?
Don't be defined by the failure or success of my parents, but you can be something elsewhere. Don't look at the umsokolo wabazali ucabanga ukuthi that is it.